Oh no, I forgot my ring. No, that means I can't get in the car. What am I to do? I'm sure this has happened to everyone. I know we can use Cnick. What is Cnick? Yes, look, we're going to use this bracelet. That'll let us in the Tesla. Yes! And if you want to know how that works, where you get it from, stay tuned. We're going to do it right now.
Mal's back talking Tesla. To see the enhancements made to my Tesla and how to update yours, please subscribe to the channel and you can message me with suggestions or for help.
Hello, I'm over here.
Today's new product review.
Hi everyone. Today, I must have a drink. It's really hot out. Excuse me. Right, we're going to look at this little box. And we're going to ask Alexa what it is, and then we're going to take an in-depth view. It comes with this. Comes with this. Look at this. Beautiful. Alexa, look at this.
Mal, that's Cnick bracelet by TeslaRing.com. What's wrong with your ring? Why do you want this? I will let you explain.
Thank you, Alexa. I'm going to explain. So, first of all, in the box, you get a bit of instruction. So there's a guide that if you're stuck, but this video is going to help you, so you won't need this. This is going to be really easy for you. Now, why do we want one? When I've been very happy with the ring by Hanshow and not the Cnick bracelet. Well, the Cnick bracelet is a fantastic thing. And the reason for that is you put it on your wrist as very easily and it's there. No mucking around. The problem with my ring is, I'll show you. Let's go into the kitchen and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so the problem you'll face with the ring, and this is why the bracelet is so much easier, is your hand swells up. Now, also with the ring, you don't want to immerse it underwater, because I've had instances where the actual conductivity of the ring will stop working and the range you'll lose the range. So you really don't want to wet this. So the problem is getting it off is a real problem, because obviously you want to wash your hands as many times as you need to in a day, and that means you're continually taking this ring off. Now with the bracelet, you can see nothing's going to affect it and stuff. You can't really clean it with the ring on properly, so you end up doing a half another job. That's done, and of course this comes off very easy. So it's completely it's a no-brainer really. It's not touching your hands effectively, and it's in and done. And that's why this has got the advantage over the ring. It's got two sides to it. It's got this side here and this side here. I'm going to show you. One is made nicely with a shiny bit. That's where the chip is. And that's where you offer it up to the pillar. Now, it is quite a fiddly thing if you don't know where it is. So I'm going to show you how and where to put it so it works every single time. How much is it? Well, it's in a good box for a start, isn't it? Look, it's nicely packaged well, isn't it? Look, really nice. From Amazon. Comes in, this is the package that you'll expect. It comes from UPS. £104 it is for this. The ring, as you know, the price of that, is it worth having? Well, yes, it is. How do we program it? That's the next thing. Is it easy? Well, it is very easy. I'm going to take you to the car now. All you're going to need with you is your key card, because that's programmed. Let's go and have a look at it. See how easy it is. Okay, so what you do, the first thing you do is you press the little car, then you get your main menu up. You want to go into locks. There's the bracelet. So I'm going to put it into position where we can see it. There. Okay, so I'm going to show you now where you have to put it so that you can actually get it to read. So best place to put it is just there, which is, if you look, there's the cup holder, and it's not in the middle, it's right at an end. There's the middle, and that's where you need to put it. First thing you do is you press the plus. Now we're looking at this side, not this side. It's not a phone, it's the key cards or the thing. So the key card is one of these, could be the ring, anything that's like a key card. And now we're going to put it in its place. And as soon as we do, there you go, it's ready in exactly the same place I showed you. And now it's asking for the key card, because you need this. This is programmed. You need this. It could be the ring as well. If you have a program ring, as long as the card is programmed, then you need it. You need it for two things. One, for removing a card that is been lost or stolen, or something's happened to it and you want to remove it, or if you want to install a new one. So in this case, I'm going to use it to erase the bracelet, so I can show you how to do both. Let's have a look. Okay, so you see the bracelet is there. I don't need to have it. If it was lost, I could erase it. So without the bracelet, I'm just going to press delete. It's asking me to put the key card. I'll put the key card in position. Now let me show you where that is. I've lost the key card. Where could it have gone? I don't know. I'll put it down. It's probably fallen down where the seat is. Got to retrieve it. I can't do the programming until that happens. Okay. Bear with me. Normal service will be resumed shortly.
20 minutes later.
Right. You can just see it, look, tucked in the back. Oh, here it is. Oh, thank goodness for Tesla. So I've got my Cnick bracelet, I've got the key card, and we're going to program it. First thing you do is we'll press the plus. Here we go. Now we put this in position till it actually goes off. There it is, found it straight away. We take it off now and we put my card on top. There you go. And now it's unknown key. So just put it there so it comes up. And what's clever about this is when it's in the list, and as soon as you put it in position, it comes up. Unknown key, we're going to call it the bracelet. So let's do that. Save it, it appears up there now. So when we take it down, it's there. So the best place to do it is to wear it on the side of your hand like this, so that you can get the most contact between that and the door. I've made a little mark on here so we can get to it, and you see it's just there. So if we take it off and we have a look at it, it's just here. Let's see if we can hold it in place. That's exactly where you need to put it. Very light, easily to put. Once it's on your hand, you can run it up your sleeve if your jumper, whatever you got there, you can't see it, and you just get it out when you need it. Until the next one, take care, all the best. I'll be seeing you.
Thanks for watching Mal's Back Talking Tesla. Remember, if you're buying a new Tesla, use my referral code link here, and don't forget to subscribe. It's free.